This tutorial shows you how to register for a California employer payroll tax account using eServices for Business. Note, before you start, you must create a username and password. If you haven't done this, use the tutorial Create a Username and Password to enroll in employer services online. Go to the EDD homepage and select Employers. Select Register as an employer. This page explains what you need to register and what your responsibilities are as an employer. Select What do I need to register? Select your type of business from the bulleted list. This tells you the information you will need. When you're ready, select Employer Login. Select Login to eServices for Business. Enter your username and password, then select Login. Select how you want to receive your verification code. Your options may be different based on how you set up your account. Options may include text code, call my phone, or email code. The code is valid for 5 minutes. In this example, we chose text code. Enter the verification code. If you did not get the code, select Text again. After you enter the code, select Submit. Select New Employer. Select Next. If you haven't gathered the information needed, review the information on the screen and be ready to provide this information about your business. Select Click here to register for an employer payroll tax account number. Select the reason that best describes why you are requesting a new employer payroll tax account number. In this example, we select New Business, then select Next. Select the employer type that best describes your business from the drop-down menu. In this example, we select Commercial. Select the organization type that best describes your business from the drop-down menu. In this example, we select Corporation. Select Next. Select the quarter your wages exceeded $100. In this example, we select Current Quarter, then select Next. Answer the question, Do you have employees working in California? By selecting Yes or No. In this example, we select Yes, then select Next. Provide at least one responsible party. For a commercial account, select Commercial Owner or Officer. Use the drop-down menu to select the responsible party title. In this example, we select President. Select the ID type for the responsible party. If you selected Officer, you will need to provide the ITIN or SSN. Enter the ID number. Enter the first name, last name, date of birth, and California driver license number for the responsible party. If you have more responsible parties, select Add Responsible Party and enter the information. Review this message about private corporations and the sole shareholder corporate officer exclusion statement DE 459. Select Next. Enter the date ownership began operating, then answer the question, Previously been a principal owner registered with EDD, by selecting Yes or No. In this example, we select No, then select Next. Select the industry activity that best describes your business. You can select Other if the available choices do not apply. Enter a detailed description of the product or service, then select Next. Enter the legal name of organization exactly as it appears on your official documents. Do not leave out any words, punctuation, or use abbreviations. You must use the correct legal name to register your employer payroll tax account. If your company has a DBA name, enter it. If not, leave it blank. If your business is registered with the California Secretary of State, select Yes and enter the Secretary of State identification number. If you have a federal employer identification number, select Yes and enter the number. Select Next. Enter the address information for the business you are registering. This should be the physical location of the business. If your mailing address is different from your business address, select No, then enter your mailing address. In this example, we select Yes, then select Next. Enter your business contact information and select Yes or No to allow email contact. If you want to allow email contact, enter an email address. Select Next. Select Yes if you want to add a taxpayer representative and provide their information. If they are an outside accountant, agent, or tax representative, complete and submit a Power of Attorney Declaration, DE 48. In this example, we select No, then select Next. Answer the questions, are you an authorized payroll agent? And does this business use professional assistance for payroll reporting? By selecting Yes or No. In this example, we select No, then select Next. Complete the declaration by providing your first and last name, title, and phone number. This means you certify the information provided is true and accurate, that you are authorized to submit it, and these actions are not being taken to receive a more favorable unemployment insurance rate. Select Submit. Select OK to confirm you want to submit your request. This is your confirmation that your request was submitted. Write down or print your confirmation number, then select OK. Processing may take up to 10 business days to complete. More time may be needed for complex requests, accounts with exemptions, or specialized coverage. As part of our review, we may contact you if more information is needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to register for a California employer payroll tax account. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on how to file a tax return and wage report, make a payroll tax deposit DE 88 payment, and exploring the many other features and e-services for business. Resources are available at edd.ca.gov or by calling the Taxpayer Assistance Center at 1-888-745-3886.